Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are here at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, Michigan. And I tell you what, everybody has come to play. We've really been seeing some amazing vehicles here at the show. This is no exception. Now listen, if you are familiar with the Cadillac Escalade, you know that it is a large luxury SUV built for carrying a lot of people, but doing it with authority. It really has that presence that a lot of other big SUVs lack, that Escalade really claims. This is a new one. This is a new idea. This is the 2025 Escalade IQ. This is full EV. So think about the Ultium platform that General Motors is using on their other big EVs. So think the Hummer EV, Sierra EV, Silverado EV, and so on. That Ultium platform is modularized and can be fitted to accommodate whatever size vehicle that they need. So they're now doing a Blazer EV and other smaller vehicles as well. This is going to be an amazing example of that Ultium platform because you're putting it in a big luxury SUV like the Escalade. Now you're saying, listen, they just came out with the Escalade V not that long ago. That's right. That is a very high horsepower giant SUV as well, but they just took a different path to get there. That Escalade V obviously has that wonderful LT4 V8 with all the horsepower and all the noise and all of that attitude, right? This is going to give you similar performance, but just in a different way. Again, full EV, it's going to, this is the thing, it's going to weigh a lot more than that Escalade V. So that Escalade V, right, 680 horsepower, and it weighs over 6,200 pounds. That's almost 10 pounds per horsepower over there, that Escalade V. Now you take the Escalade IQ, and it's going to be weighing closer to probably what that Hummer EV weighs, which is around 9,000 pounds. Vehicles are getting extremely heavy. EVs are getting extremely heavy, and when you get these big platforms to put to turn into EVs, the weight just goes through the roof. So this one is going to drive a lot heavier than that Escalade V, but they are promising similar performance, and they're claiming 0 to 60 under 5 seconds, 750 horsepower. It's going to be more horsepower than that V. It's, again, power delivery is going to have all that instant torque, right? But they're really throwing all the tech in here as well. You have huge screens on the dash. So you're talking about a 35-inch display in front of the driver and a 25+ inch display in front of the passenger, and they're connecting these screens, and the whole dash looks like just one giant screen. So I tell you what, if you are looking to get into a big giant SUV and you want to feel like you are really on the cutting edge and moving into the future, then this may be your ticket. If you want something big and powerful, they have the Escalade V that's powered differently, but both of them, what they have in common most is price. They're both very expensive, well over $100,000, and you're talking about starting this one around $130,000. But you also think about, you're getting a lot of vehicle. There's a lot here. Ultra luxurious. It looks really sharp. And I tell you what, if you are a Cadillac fan, I really think you should, if you get a chance, to take a look at one of these. So again, you would expect Cadillac and Escalade to go big or go home right, and they have gone big here again with the Escalade IQ. So guys, we've really enjoyed our time here at the Detroit Auto Show. There are so many amazing vehicles here. Lots of brands are really hitting it out of the park with their new styles and the innovations that they're coming up with. And I think that this one is key. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next review.